guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over. Dotted line, the red stop sign, no room to go slower. You do it today, you do it again in a week. You're a fake, you're a freak, you're a parasite sucking a leech. Come on, man, it's over. Yeah, it's over now. What a waste of time, what a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're back on the beat, distorted and cheap. You're a villain, what the fuck are you selling? You're a sham, I won't fall at your feet. Now come on, man, you're older. Yeah, you're older now. What a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're out in the street, feeling weak and defeated. It's all that you needed though, to find a new home, to find a new home where flowers grow, where flowers grow. To bow after the show, it's so relieving getting told
myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. Sicker than you know, killed a bird without a stone, taught the dog to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee, the curiosity. Cat alive, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet, you're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. Made a joke about the half-cut Asian metaphor, and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. Start the day, I'm standing on the space. I love the scenery, my happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be, 'cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself.